Love Yahweh Christ. Easy. All right, so we got to set the record straight. Me and my brother, GQ, we did this song for the music industry. And they named it Jamaican Funk. And we was trying to tell them about when I was in the 1960s and JFK was the president speaking over the radio. And I gave the command as Christ that the President of the United States of America has to honor both Yahweh and the one and only Creator. He has to honor both. And the President thought that he didn't have to honor both. And so the President, JFK, died while talking over the radio. I was in Echo Park as Christ, being taken care of by Jewish people. Now, they ended up lying to America. They've been lying on me for a long time. Since I became Christ in the USA by law in 1962, they said that the person died either in 1960 or 1961 and got assassinated, but it actually happened after that time. It was around 1964. It was around 1964 that it actually happened. But anyway, we named it Jamaican Funk. Put a J and an F and a K on that, me and my brother, GQ12, on Hoover. Yahweh, Yahweh, love Christ. Logo circle, 7, 7 circle logos. Yahweh, Yahweh, love Christ. The Lord jealous, yea, Jimmy. I am holy love, Elohim. I am holy love, Elohim. We love you, Creator Elohim. We honor you, Creator. Christ. We love Creator Elohim.